So now let's see how we can utilize the Despackle filter inside of GIMP. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and I'm going to go around onto open and I'm going to go around and select out the image right here. So I'm just going to go around onto my tutorial drive right here and I'm going to go around under images. And then over here, I'm going to go around and bring in an old picture. So let me just go around over here and bring in, let's say, this picture right here. Always I scan. So now you can see that this picture has dusts right here, just like this. So let's say you want to go ahead and remove it. Then what you can do is you can go around onto filter and then you can go around onto enhance right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that this speckle is an option. And once you go around over here, then you can utilize this particular filter right here. So now I can go around and increase out the radius right here. And you can see the output right here. As you can see the preview around over here. You can see the before right here, just like this, and then the after around over here on this particular area. As you can see, you can go around for recursive over here, just like this as well, and change around the radius, as you can see right here, to change around how you like. So you can go around over here, change around the radius to see how this actually looks like right here. So you can go around and change around the white levels over here, just like this as well, to despeckle it out. Once you're happy with what you see right here in preview, you can go around and press OK, and you can see that it removes out the noise instantly right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the Despackle option inside of GIMP to remove out dust or scratches from old pictures, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.